Hey, what's going on, everybody? So today I'm gonna make a quick video. Hopefully it'll help out if you're having this issue. It was a quick fix for me, so I decided to make a video on it. I know there's at least one other person out there that had the same issue that I found on a forum, so just wanted to make a quick video. Hopefully it'll help again. And this one here is my 2016 Mustang GT, and the issue I was having, which by the title you can see, was a slight, and I will say slight because it wasn't too bad, but it was definitely noticeable sway that was coming from the back end there. And if you haven't worked on these cars before, they do have IRS suspension, which is independent rear suspension, so it is different than a lot of the older setups in cars. It was simple as tightening one bolt for me, and that bolt I'll show you real quick here. All right, there is the bolt there, right there. There's the rest of it for reference. And I'll show it again to you through the wheel, if it'll focus. And that was the toe link there that you seen, and the bolt was on the left hand side there when I was showing it to you from the front, closest to the tire. That bolt was pretty loose. It was still kind of snug, but it was nowhere near as tight as the other side. I did have to take the wheel off because of the size of the torque wrench and the socket I had, but I believe it was a size 18 millimeter, and the torque on it was about 129 foot-pounds. So fortunately, again, for me, it was a quick fix. I tightened that bolt, took the car back out for a spin, and it drove like a dream. It was super smooth, no issues there. And again, what the car was doing was kind of like a little bit of a fishtail, like that at higher speeds. I'd say around 80. It wasn't doing it constantly, but it was definitely there. And then it would also do that when I would take off, probably around 30 miles an hour. So after tightening that bolt, I went ahead and checked the other size 18s that were there, making sure they were tight. The other side was completely tight, so nothing worked loose there on that end. But yeah, I just tightened that one bolt, and it fixed my issue completely. I hope it's a simple fix for you as well if you're having that same problem. If not, you may want to look into bushings and other components there for the rear end. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.